Hey guys, it's your old pal Jim from Jim Capix Vids. Now this is the first half. Second half you're gonna see is gonna be filmed on Christmas, where I'm gonna be setting this thing up. But I just wanted to take off the seal and stuff, and unbox this iMac 21.5 inch. This is the 4K model. This is $1,400, something like that. Anyway, this is the box it comes in. Alright, shipped through FedEx. I got it a couple days ago. So, dun, 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 dun. Oh, sorry. Ship it's on a tripod, but anyway, I've been waiting a long time to get one of these. Hopefully, I can keep the sucker. Of course, I'm going to, but now, what was I gonna say? Yeah, so I've kind of freehanged this a little bit. So, as you can see, this is definitely an official iMac. That right there is the specs. You pause it if you'd like, but I'm not going to hold my hand there all day. So, I'm sure this is the latest and greatest 2019 model. So, right off of Best Buy. Oh, wow. As you probably see, this is what you'd expect when you first open the box up. So I will do more detailed on stuff on Christmas, but it's still got another week and a half. But I wanted to do this ahead of time because I just couldn't wait. So I'm gonna put this on a tripod. I'm gonna film the rest of this as a still video. Alright, so I have this thing on a tripod. So as you guys probably can see, like the last few years, last few generations, you do have the keyboard and everything right here. This is probably the biggest Apple product I've ever unboxed in this channel so far. The biggest one I'll ever be unboxing, unless they have the cars come out in the future by Apple. So this right here, as you can probably tell, is a keyboard. If you're not sure, say you're a PC user and you don't know what the heck this is. Look at that. It's a magic mouse. So I'm gonna take this off. Oh! So this is the latest and greatest keyboard. Oh gosh. Look how smooth this thing is. It shines in the light. Anyway. So before, the 2018, I believe, had the little thing over here. This right here has one on this side. It feels nice. So this right here is hidden. Take that off, and this has a fiber cloth and everything else right in there. This goes right to the keyboard. This is how you charge it and everything. Now the magic mouse. Look at that. It's shiny. Coming from a PC, I've always used, I'll show you. This is a PC mouse. Right click, left click, scroll wheel. On here you just do this, apparently, and it feels pretty nice. Now time for the main deal. So, here comes a real annoying part. I gotta put all this stuff back afterwards, though. I'm only doing this for the sake of the video. That's freaking loud. Shoot. No idea what that is. Alright. Well, can't really get a good shot of this, but I've got to put all this stuff back afterwards. It's pretty annoying, but oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. First iMac was unboxed. So now I'm gonna take this seal off. I only got like 15 days to go until Christmas when I can actually use this, but you're probably saying, what's stopping it? What? Well, I don't have to wait, but I like doing things on a certain time. They make it look so easy on these other unboxing videos. I don't know what they're doing different. Back down. Just hand by hand. That's loud. I like how they package this stuff though. So I took this thing off the tripod just so I could film this thing up close. Nice reflective Apple logo down there. There we go. So we got a headphone port, SD card reader, got 4 USB ports, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and an Ethernet jack, which I'm not going to need because this is the future. And right there is a cooling vent. Let me get a shot of that. Oh, there we go. See that cooling vent right there? Sorry if I'm not filming this properly, but that is definitely a beautiful machine. So I'm going to have to put that liner back over it, though, just to keep it preserved, so I can actually use this. I'm actually going to put it side by side with my PC, my HP, to see the size. This was supposedly 20 inches, but I'm just curious on size. Well, I put it up here just for comparison, and it looks massive compared to my HP over here. Look at this right here. For those of you who are Mac users, you know, they're probably saying, well, yeah, well, what's different? Well, the thing is that a guy coming from something like this, seeing something like this is actually quite a difference. It looks huge, but, I mean, and it is actually quite a bit bigger. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger than this, but sheesh, look at this. Definitely notice the difference in size. So what's better about these is that they are twice as powerful as what I've been using, and already I got fingerprints on this thing, so I'm gonna have to get the fiber cloth and get that off. In terms of me plugging this in and using it and getting a PC user impression, it's gonna have to wait a little bit. So yeah. All right, this is Christmas Day now. I figured I'd fire it up. So this is not on a tripod, but so hopefully you can see this. Oh, silly me, it's not even plugged in. That would help, wouldn't it? Yeah. It's like trying to fire up a car without any gas in it. This might take a while. Alright, so I got through some of the stuff. I apologize if I didn't show it, but it's just real basic questions. I was just I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not, so This mouse is a little slower though. I'm not sure if it's just me or what. Setting up iCloud. I'm setting up a cam. This shouldn't take too long. So I did create a password and everything. Of course, this is gonna take a while. It just usually does take a while. Oops, this asks for set my iCloud keychain. Yeah, basically that just helps you save passwords and stuff. I'm just gonna hit the same as always. All your files. Oh, yeah. Never actually used Mac OS, so I have no idea how this is gonna work. Dark. This is better. It's better on the eyes. How smooth that is. And there we go. Oh my gosh. So I'm installing Mac OS Catalina right now. Reason being is because it asked me to update. I was putting in my password and everything. I had to adjust the cursor speed because it's a little bit slow. It's real easy. You just gotta go over a spotlight. I may do a separate video for that. But then I had to do some other stuff, but it was real easy after all of that. So the hard part's done. This might take a while to installing another operating system, but basically it's just updating it in a sense. So, it's a beautiful little thing going on here. I apologize for that glare, the windows open and everything, but it'll be okay in a little bit. So yeah. Hey guys, it's been about, I want to say a couple days since I've filmed the rest of the unboxing video. I was editing it on my iPad Pro and I forgot to close it off. So you're probably asking, well, why are you editing on your iPad? Well, because I do a lot of my outdoor related videos on this computer. I do a lot of like screen recording tutorials, which I'll be doing in the future on here. It's real easy. You'll even see it in the video for those of you who are new. Those of you who are Mac users at heart who like to watch Mac-based videos, then you guys are probably gonna see little things and say, "Oh, you didn't know that?" Well, shoot, I was a Windows user for the last 4 years, and I'm just now switching over to Mac, and I'm so far loving it. I mean, there's a lot of things I'm not used to, like the hook key on Windows brings up the task menu. You can't do that on Mac. You have to manually click on the Finder, and type in everything you're searching, which is a pain in the rump, but I'm sure there's a more quicker keyboard shortcut way to access the Finder. I'm sure you guys might know, but I don't know yet. I saw a video pointing out how to do that, but I forgot. So that's that. But anyway, a couple days later, me editing videos on iMovie, getting used to the software and everything. How I like this, I like it. Nice, easy, quick way to log in. Nice, beautiful computer. I might do more videos in the future on Mac OS, but not right now. This is gonna close off this video. Kind of like how on iPads and iPhones, I have like this little thing. This is similar on Mac OS, but it's really good nonetheless, and it's quick. It's easier. It edits GoPro videos better, but nonetheless, it's a good computer. So that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to peace out.